Come rain or shine, we often find insects, especially flies, buzzing around our homes. While they may seem harmless, some of them can transmit diseases through their bites, which is why it's important to take steps to prevent infestations and protect ourselves and our families. But don't worry, we have a friendly and natural solution for you. Commercial insecticides can be harsh and toxic, and some contain chemicals like DEET that can cause allergies, irritations, and even more serious health issues. Sanitary surveillance agencies usually recommend using insecticides with a DEET concentration of less than 30%, but insects can develop resistance to these products over time, making them less effective. That's why making your own homemade repellent using natural ingredients is a great option for keeping your family and home safe from insects. Not only are homemade repellents safer for your health, but they are also cost-effective and likely to have ingredients that you already have at home. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Let us show you how to make a homemade repellent using white vinegar and cinnamon sticks, which is not only effective, but also smells great. Here's what you'll need. 2 cinnamon sticks, 1/2 liter of white vinegar, 100 milliliters of water, 10 drops of dish soap, 1 spray bottle. Instructions: place the cinnamon sticks in a spray bottle and add the white vinegar, water, and dish soap. Let the mixture steep for 1 or 2 days before using. Shake the spray bottle well and then spray it in areas of your home where you often find flies and other insects like mosquitoes, ants, and cockroaches. You can use this mixture to clean your sink, table, and countertops, as vinegar has degreasing properties and the aroma helps eliminate bad odors from the environment. Not only will this homemade vinegar and cinnamon repellent help keep insects at bay, but it will also leave your home smelling fresh and clean. Plus, it's a natural and safe alternative to commercial insecticides, so you can feel good about using it in your home. We'd love to hear from you if you try this recipe. Let us know in the comments how it worked for you, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and here's to a bug-free and happy home.